In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Mobirise when text is not working. If you've ever clicked on a headline or paragraph and nothing happened, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back on track using Mobirise Online. Start by opening Mobirise Online in your browser. You'll be taken to the login page where the quickest way to get in is to use Sign In with Google. Click the Google option, and when your browser shows your available Google accounts, pick the one you want to use. If you're already signed into your browser, this should be just a couple of clicks. Give it a moment to complete the sign-in and load your projects. Once your project opens in the editor, go to the block that contains the text you want to change. Click directly on the text area and pause for a second. You're waiting for the typing cursor to appear inside that text block. Sometimes the editor needs a brief moment to load the inline text tools, especially on larger pages. If nothing shows up at first, try a slow double click or click once and then press a key like the arrow keys to nudge focus into the text. Make sure you're not accidentally dragging the block, just a clean, steady click on the text itself. When the cursor appears, you can type, delete, or paste as usual, and use the floating toolbar for formatting. If the text is small or close to other elements, zoom your browser in a bit to make targeting easier. If the cursor still refuses to appear, you can edit the content via code. Look for the Edit Code option on that block and click it. This opens the HTML for the selected block. Before you change anything, copy the entire code to a temporary note so you have a backup. Now carefully locate the text you want to change. Most content will be inside tags like H1, H2, or P. Replace only the words between the opening and closing tags, and avoid touching the surrounding angle brackets, classes, or styles. Small focused edits are safest. After updating the text, apply or save your changes and preview the block. If something doesn't look right, use undo or paste your backup to restore the original. A quick tip, keep punctuation and line breaks consistent, and when you need a simple line break without a new paragraph, use a BR tag. That's it. By first trying inline editing and then switching to the code editor when needed, you'll be able to update any stubborn text in Mobirise reliably and safely.